Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect a wireless mouse to a laptop. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the battery compartment on your wireless mouse and make sure the battery is properly installed. Next, remove the USB wireless receiver dongle from the mouse. Most 2.4 GHz wireless mice store the receiver inside the battery compartment. Then, insert the USB receiver into an available USB port on your laptop or desktop. Now, keep in mind that this type of wireless mouse is not a Bluetooth mouse. It connects through the USB receiver, so you'll need to plug the receiver into your computer. Close the battery compartment and turn on the mouse using the power switch on the bottom. Windows should automatically detect the mouse and install the required drivers. After a few seconds, your mouse should be ready to use. If the mouse doesn't connect automatically, try unplugging the USB receiver and plugging it into a different USB port. If your mouse still isn't working, open the Settings app on your computer. Then go to the Bluetooth and Devices section from the left-hand menu. Here, click on the Add Device button. A new window will appear. Before continuing, make sure your mouse is turned on and that its power switch is set to on. If your mouse has a pairing button, press and hold it to put the mouse into pairing mode. Next, click on the Everything Else option. Your computer will begin searching for nearby devices. Once your mouse appears in the list, click on it to pair and connect it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect a wireless mouse to a laptop. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.